Welcome to the EMEC Technology Center. I'm Mike, one of the application engineers here, and today we will dive into the Milltronics 9000 series control. The 9000 series control is the latest CNC control from Milltronics, and it has improved immensely over the last generation, and we will show you a few of its capabilities in this video series. In this video, we will focus on the Program Verify function. After initial programming, it is helpful to simulate tool paths on the control to ensure proper tool movement and have a visual representation of the finished part. Using this function is intuitive and helpful. Simply select your program, press Verify, press Start, then press Cycle Start. This will begin the simulation of the control with no machine movement. To run the simulation faster, simply press Fast, and the simulation will run at a higher speed to save time. Also, runtimes shown in the upper left corner of the display are valid and can be used to estimate actual machining times. Using the Verify function will allow you to run your program with more confidence. Remember, you can reach us on all social media platforms or simply call us for more information about Milltronics products. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.